Hello, this is LED Home. We'll introduce you our slim, sports-free LED neon light. This is the neon light, and we have different lengths. And this is we put 216 LED inside. And each piece we can join one by one. And you can see the back side. We have the place for the connecting. Okay, this length we can do customized. Max we can do 1 meter per piece. And this is the power connector for each two piece. With this is connector, and this is the wire connector for two piece, because if we don't want to make it for one line, so we can use this cable. And this is the power feed cable. We put in the power inside. And this is the cross connectors. Cross connectors, we have cross, L, and T connection. It depends on our request. For example, we can do marks, jointing into different. For the installation, if you don't want clips, and we have also magnet. The magnet is very more important and very more convenient for us for our installation. Okay. And if we want two piece connecting, we use this one, okay? We put in here, no need wire, no need soldering, two piece together. Of course, we can do different connection, one by one, okay? But if we don't want this, we can use this connector cable, wire connector, for different connection to different direction. Just press it, okay, and this one, we can use press it another way. Okay, so maybe with different direction, yeah, okay. So this is, and we can check it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, here we use different color, but we can see the light is very uniform light here. Dots free, okay? So we can do different. Okay, this is the cross. We can see here inside you can see inside the cloth for PCB design. Okay. Now let's see the back side. This is the connection, and we have cross, L, and T connection. Okay, let's join. Okay, we put here. Okay. Now try this one. Okay, use this one. Do any connection as we want. Use this one. So we have a cross connection and the seamless connection, and also we can use the wire cable for connection. For the installation, we have surface-mounted installation and the recessed installation. Here we can see the back side. This is all connecting cable and the connecting wire. Okay. Now, for example, if we want the mounting clips, surface mounted, so we use the clips. Okay, clips, and also this is also invisible installation, and we cannot see the clips. Okay, and now we want to the recessed. We use this one. This is the recessed installation. The surface mounted.